happy you could make it today for another episode of Hey Simply. My name is Nikki, and for today's lesson, we're going to talk about some very important friends that we have in our lives. Do you know what friends those are? Those friends are plants. Do you know why they are important? Well, basically, plants produce oxygen, and we need oxygen to breathe. So I want you to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. When you took that breath in, you were breathing in oxygen, and that's something that plants produce for us to help keep us alive. I'm going to show you how. Plants use a process called photosynthesis to eat. Plants don't eat regular food like meat or you. They instead rely on the sun for nutrition. They also breathe in carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen, which we then breathe. Carbon dioxide is a fancy way of saying the air that we breathe out. Without plants, we wouldn't be here right now. The process always begins when light is absorbed by the proteins that contain green chlorophyll pigments. Chlorophyll is what gives plants their bright green color. I hope you enjoyed my quick lesson on plants. Now I'm going to show you an activity that we can do using these plants and leaves that I have here on the table. Here, let me show you how. Today, we are going to make a cool living drawing, and here is how. First, you're going to ask a responsible adult to print this. This is a tree trunk with some branches. You can go ahead and color it in once they print it out, and I have the link right down below. So make sure to click the link so that you can get the same outline as me. If you don't have a printer, feel free to draw your own tree and outline your own branches. That's okay too. Next, you're going to go outside with a responsible adult, walk around the neighborhood, breathe in fresh air, breathe out the fresh air, and you're going to go and see if you find some cool leaves, maybe some flowers, whatever you like, and we're going to put it together to make this cool living drawing. So I do have a glue stick. That's all you're really going to need. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue down here on the bottom of the leaf and place it somewhere on my tree. I'm going to let it dry a little bit and then I'll show you how it'll look. I'm also going to include some pretty flowers I found during my walk outside. What's your favorite part of a walk? Do you like saying hi to your neighbors? Do you like looking at the birds and the sounds that they make? You're going to keep gluing the leaves and your flowers until you feel like your tree is complete. So I'll come back and show you what my tree looks like after I finish gluing all the leaves and flowers on it. So I just finished putting the last touches onto my masterpiece. Here, take a look. This is my cool living drawing. Feel free to share yours with me. I would love to see how they look. Now for our next activity, we are going to do something that I like to call frozen flowers. What you are going to need are some plastic cups. Any plastic cup will do. So for now, I have these clear plastic cups and some water. So I'm going to pour a little bit of water or a lot of bit of water, as much as you would like, into each cup. After I finished pouring the water into the cup, I found some pretty little flowers, some yellow because yellow is my favorite color, and I'm going to add them into the water. You get different types of flowers, the better it looks. So you're going to put them into your cups, as many or as little as you like, and then you're going to put it into the freezer. Do you want to see what they look like? I will need a very, very, very big drum roll. Let's do it together. All right, we're ready for the big reveal. Let's see what it looks like. So I let the ice melt just a little bit so it would be easier to remove it from the cup. Once I remove it, you can see how beautiful my frozen flower looks. You see that? I would recommend playing with your frozen flowers outside. And please do not eat your frozen flowers or put them in your drinks. I promise they do not taste very good. I hope you learned a lot during today's lesson. And remember to hit like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from Hey Simply. I'm Nikki, and remember, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and have a simply great day. Bye!
Hey, Simply!